Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the innovative Forearm Crutches pair, a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. These lightweight, adjustable crutches come with a unique anti-drop cuff design that secures your arm and crutches together, ensuring they stay in place even when you're multitasking. Designed with a semi-enclosed arm feature, these crutches effectively distribute pressure away from your wrist, providing a more comfortable experience. With 10 adjustable height settings, they cater to users ranging from 58 to 72.8 inches tall, allowing you to find your perfect fit. The foldable design makes them a convenient travel companion, easily stored without taking up much space. Built with a solid and safe design, the crutches feature a lockable bottom and an Oxford base, offering wear and corrosion resistance for enhanced stability and longevity. Experience the perfect combination of practicality and durability with these exceptional forearm crutches. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.